you've been putting off launching an offer because you're afraid of the tech overwhelm and don't know how to code and a little nervous about investing into a platform like ThriveCart, they now have a free launch offer. So they now have a way that you can get started with ThriveCart for free. Before I show you everything that's included with the ThriveCart launch plan, behind the scenes of how I use ThriveCart and some details of the platform, I want to go over pricing because I know that's what we're most concerned about. So this is a free plan. For the most part, there is a platform fee of 2%. So what that means is that any sale that you make, ThriveCart is going to take 2% of that. So there's no monthly plan, no annual plan, or flat rate to join ThriveCart or to host your course with this plan, but it is going to be a 2% fee. So with that, you're not paying anything unless you make sales, which is great. Now, if you don't want to do this, if you don't want to pay the 2% transaction fee, they do have different options. They have a ThriveCart Standard, and I'll have all of these linked down below in the description. So ThriveCart Standard at the time of this recording is $495, lifetime access, and that is for lifetime. There's no annual fee or anything like that. With this, there's also no transaction fees. So you are still going to be paying processing fees through your payment processor like PayPal or Stripe, but that's standard. That's across the board. That's with any platform that you're ever going to find. That's payment processing. That's like a credit card processing fee. So take that out. So with ThriveCart Standard, you don't pay any transaction fee. Like you're not going to be paying the 2% fee with ThriveCart Standard. So if you're planning on selling at volume and really hitting the ground running, then ThriveCart Standard would probably be a great option for you. So it's $500 flat rate at the time of this recording forever. That's ThriveCart Standard. They also have ThriveCart Pro Plus. This is what I have. So this is a standard account. So this is the $495. And then with this, there is annual payments of $295 on top of this. And this is for the pro version. So with the pro version, you're going to get affiliate management, custom domain, multiple order bumps, tax inclusive pricing, all of these different things, subscription metrics, coupon tracking, dunning, JV contacts, all of that. So that is with the Pro Plus plan. And I have other videos that I'll have linked for you of ThriveCart Standard versus Pro to help you decide which is which and which is going to be better for you. But with the ThriveCart launch plan that we're talking about today, it is free. It's not like a free trial. It's not something that they're going to charge you after 6 months or anything like that, or after 30 days or anything like that. It's totally free. There is just the 2% platform fee for any transactions that you make. So any courses that you sell or any ebooks or memberships or anything that they take the 2% and that's it. I've been using ThriveCart since 2023. I previously used Teachable and I switched over to ThriveCart and I'm so happy that I did. I made over $27,000 with ThriveCart. I use it to host courses. I have a membership. I have an ebook all inside of ThriveCart and I absolutely love it. So with this new free plan, you can get started with ThriveCart. And over 75,000 people already use ThriveCart, 70 million products sold, and $8 billion in processed sales, which is absolutely incredible. They have landing pages and funnels. They have templates. Here are some of the landing pages that I personally have. And I have a super easy checkout one that is just very straightforward. I also have a more in-depth sales page, and this is all built right in ThriveCart. I also have a tripwire with ThriveCart that is so easy to use and set up as well. So inside ThriveCart, they have templates, and they have all of these beautiful templates that you can preview here in view, and they're just drag and drop. They're just plug and play where you don't have to have any coding experience or anything like that. You can easily just drag and drop any videos or headings or testimonials, dividers, buy links, FAQs. They have all of this preset for you, which is so easy to do. And all of these templates, which are just amazing. They are absolutely beautiful. They have really invested a lot into the templates and making it easy for you. So they have these landing pages and funnels. They also have global checkouts and payments. So over 100 different payment methods, which is absolutely incredible. So including PayPal and Stripe and Affirm and Google Pay and Zip, all of these payment methods. They also have subscription management for reoccurring revenue. So you can have a membership or you can have a payment plan for your students inside ThriveCart. They also have learning management, which is an LMS, and you can have your courses and everything is hosted inside of ThriveCart. So that way you have one platform that you host everything with all of your dashboards and your stats and your sales page. And then you also host the course. So it's an all-in-one platform. I also have a course on how to launch your first course. And I have this for free. So I'll have it linked for you down below in the description. So with this course, it's going to walk you through how to choose a profitable course topic, how to outline your course, how to price and sell, all of that. But then I also have step-by-step tutorials on how to use ThriveCart click by click, like over the shoulder, showing you how to use the platform, how to create a sales page, how to set up Learn, how to add modules, how to drip out content, how to customize everything, all of that, and how to make more money as well. So I have this link for you down below. It is a free course on how to use ThriveCart. I also have tons of tutorials on ThriveCart as well. And in the description, I also have a link to my sales page guide. So writing a sales page that converts, and this has ChatGPT prompts and exactly what you need to put into your sales page as well. If you want to know, okay, how can I optimize my sales page? What testimonials? How do I know what to put in there? I have that for you as well. With ThriveCart Launch, you can get started for free, which is amazing. So with this free, you get one product plus an order bump, an upsell, and a downsell. What an order bump is, it's an easy way to increase your sales and you can have a low ticket offer. So here's my course that is $800 that I sell. And then I also have an ebook that is $29. So people can add on this ebook. And honestly, this is probably about 90% conversion rate for me. So 90% of the people that buy my course, they also add on this ebook. And so it's right here. So they can click it, add to the cart. And so they can see Dream It or Profitable, $7.99, or the ebook, which is $29. Or I also have payment plan. So they can also do a 6-time payment plan as well. So they can pay $159 plus the $29 and do the payment plan, and they can do credit card, link, PayPal, all of that. So this is an order bump where I can increase my sales, or if I want to run ads like Facebook ads, this is a great way to recoup those costs of those Facebook ads. So you get an order bump, an upsell, a downsell, 100 plus global payment methods, tons of templates like I showed you, business metrics dashboard. The analytics are absolutely incredible. They have autoresponder integration with your email responder. So with ConvertKit or Flowdesk or ActiveCampaign, whatever your email autoresponder is, you can integrate that as well. Stripe Connect Plus processor, so that you're not getting failed payments, which is so frustrating. Subscription upgrades, platform fee is 2%. You can host up to 4 courses in unlimited modules. So you can have as many modules as you want and support up to 25 students with this free plan, which is absolutely incredible. So check out the description below where I have the link for this free plan with ThriveCart. This is brand new and so exciting that you can now get started with ThriveCart for free. Like I said, I've used Teachable before. I've used Podia and different platforms, and ThriveCart is the best of the best, and it is so affordable. It is a fraction of the price of the other ones. If you do want to upgrade it to the paid ThriveCart plan as well, down the road, you can do that as well. But this is amazing that you can launch your course. You can get started for free, and you can test out your offer without having to invest in a huge amount. So definitely check it out down below in the description. Now, if you want to see a full ThriveCart walkthrough where I show you click by click all throughout ThriveCart, check out this video here.